YouTube subscribers. It's me, Nene. I know y'all haven't seen me in a long time. I wanted to do a video to check on everybody to see how you were doing during this pandemic. I hope everyone is well and staying safe. We are doing good. And so these are my sons. This is my youngest. This is Joel. I know y'all haven't seen us in a while. He's 4 now. This is Gerard.
Hello.
My oldest son, G-Man. And I have 2 other sons. I have Amir and Isaiah. I don't know where they are. They didn't come out, so maybe they'll come out before I end the video. And and Gerard has his own YouTube channel. It's called People Be On Here. People P3OPLEBEONHERE.
No spaces.
No spaces. He's trying to get his YouTube life on. So support him. Subscribe to his channel. Just click, subscribe. He's just on there. What are you doing on your channel, G?
I am doing like these little vlogs and stuff, and also I have another YouTube channel called P3OPLEBENRAPPING is where I'm gonna start rapping on that channel.
Okay, rapper.
I'm gonna post on the one my mom just said. I'm gonna post on there every weekday, and the other one I'm going to be posting on every week.
So if you have like little ones, his age, he's 10 or younger or even older, or you yourself, if y'all want to just check him out, subscribe to his channel, see what he's doing, make sure he's doing what he's supposed to do and all that.
Oh yeah, also can you get my channel, just one of my channels to 1,000 subscribers, and then I can have monetization. Thanks.
Aww. And just wanted to let y'all know what we've been doing. I'm still crocheting. As you can see, I have my little granny squares here, so many of them, and I am making a granny square jacket. I should upload a video after I finish my granny squares to show how to put it together. Here's the back. This is going to be the back granny square. I've made another jacket earlier on. I made another granny square jacket with the fringe at the bottom, and I should post everything. You know what? I think I'm going to. I'm going to post all the things that I've done since my last video. I'll post all the pictures and everything at the end of this video, just to let y'all know what I've been doing, what I've been up to. I'm still crocheting. I just haven't posted any videos or anything, and I think I just might start posting again. I mean, why not? We're in the house. We can't go anywhere. Might as well. I'm still crocheting.
Also,
might as well. I probably should show more of the kids too. That would be nice, huh? They've been in the house. We can't go anywhere. They are very adventurous and entertaining, especially this one. Maybe I'll do some like video vlogs or something. That would be nice, right? You wanted to say something?
Yes. Get her to 2,000 subscribers, please.
Aww.
That'll help her a lot.
Look at my little promoter. So sweet. So let me know what you all would want to see. Would you want to see some vlog videos, or would you want to see some more crochet videos or tutorials? I can start doing more tutorials again, or what? So alright, I hope everyone is staying safe. I miss you all, and hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Mom.
Yes.
I
Oh, you wanted to say something. I'm sorry. Go ahead. I'm so sorry, Joelle. Joelle wanted to say something. Sorry.
them too. Subscribe to them too.
Subscribe to us too. Bye.
And hold up. Subscribe me and G and Zaya and Mom and
Okay.
Marion and Dad.
And what about you?
Yes.
He just said the whole family's name. Everyone's names.
Hopefully.
And
we
Joel,
can
except for
discuss-
himself. And Joelle. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, one more thing.
Okay.
Channels are gonna be linked in the description.
That's right.
Yeah, I want to say something.
Okay.
Subscribe.
That's right. Subscribe.
And smack that button and show this game.
All right.
And
Tell
bye.
everyone and tell everyone to stay safe.
Bye.
Stay
Be
safe.
That's
safe.
right. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.